What would this even... How do you even make it...
You gonna put something in here?
Okay, so reach in and try to figure out what it is. I had to guess what's in the box.
Imagine I get it. Oh boy. It's just this.
It's a bottle.
Can I open this? Can I open it?
So wait, I'm gonna unscrew it. Right, game changer, and I'll see if I can smell it from here.
Sound like no pills, because it ain't rattling.
It feels like it's probably got a brush in it.
If it's got a brush in there, it's gonna be like pipe dope or something. A jar of flux. I'm saying pipe dope.
Oh, is it like flux? But it's a dope? It's a dope, it's for pros?
So it's either pipe dope or pipe flux.
I really honestly don't even know what this is.
It's a plumbing item?
It's like some sort of a tool, but I don't even, it's not something that I would ever use in my work for sure. Would I use it in my work? No.
Water heater element.
A water heater element.
It's definitely a hanger. It's definitely for hanging clothes on.
It's a heat element.
Can I look at it now? I don't even know. This is a light bulb?
Electrode for a water heater.
I haven't seen this one before.
Now this one's curious.
Oh man.
Ah, you got me on this one.
Silicone? No, right?
I am like clueless.
Well, I'll tell you what this feels like. This feels like a cheese stick.
It feels like a cheese stick.
It's definitely like string cheese.
Package of plumber's dope.
Plumber's putty.
Wet nap. No. It was a cheese stick. That was just wrong.
Oh my god, I just bought one. Oh, I got the name on my head.
Is there tools in this thing?
This feels like a Takeo SR1 relay.
Circulator pump relay box.
All right, yeah, I'm out.
It's a relay Equastar for the boiler, hot boilers.
All right, I'll try to be faster with this one. What is happening?
Oh, we had to move over to this section, didn't we?
What's at the end of this? Let's find out.
This is a bad game. It's a diagnostic tool. It's definitely something to diagnostic.
Ooh, it's a video game system.
Some form of a game, a Nintendo or something. Really? Super Nintendo? Really?